I'm going to jump to a box that I'm guaranteed an autograph in every box. I think this is the 1995 or 96 Pro Line sales sample. Salesman carried that around. I might need to change this. Give me 1 second. Alright, sales sample. So, see what autograph I am guaranteed to get in this box. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is, yeah, the 1995, just like the other one. So, this is guaranteed a hit. The other one was a jumbo box that opened. Vinny Testaverde. Ooh, this is 10th National Sports Collector Convention. 1 of 575. So this is from the National. Or it's a National box maybe. I don't know, but it's pretty neat. I took that first pack out. It was turned a different way, and I don't know if that means anything, but I just rather not spoil the whole box. Here's Tony Terry Hodge, National Convention, 1 of 575. And this is a big box, so I might have to break this video up, and more than likely I probably will. So. And Troy Drayton foil. Make sure I don't miss anything there. Alright. Of course, these boxes have been sitting around for 15 years, and so they are all stuck together. Foil of Terry Kirby. I guess back then they didn't do the 1-of-1 National Convention stamp. Uh-oh, redemption. Oh wow, that's nice. Brett Favre, printer's proof, 1 of 175. That's nice. Foil. I like that. And oh, that's the Collectors Club they had back then. And another foil of Arenas Williams foil. Alright. It'll probably take 5 minutes to do one stack of this. Michael Irvin and Harold Green foil. I really like this box better than the other one. Mark Ingram, heard of him. Foil of Merton Hanks. Courtney Hawkins. Here's John Elliott. All base there. About 3 or 4 more packs to go within this first pile. And Willie Clay. Leon Lett, Joe Montana, and Ellis Johnson, O.J. McDuffie, packs left. Lorenzo Wright and Desmond Howard foil. Chris Carter, and final pack, which in the first pile feels pretty thick, but just got that in it. Eric Turner, Eric Ritt, insert. Alright, second pile. So at least out of all these boxes, I'm guaranteed one autograph. Mark Collins. Let's make it a nice one. That's what I think. Marshall Faulk rookie. Foil. Mario Bates. Move some of those over. Alright. Jeff Blake. Leslie O'Neal. Mark Carrier. Eric Red again, Michael Jackson, here's Bryant Young, Jay Rice, alright, here's another printer's proof of Thurman Thomas, 1 of 175, and Eric Kramer, insert. Eric Metcalf. So I'm probably halfway through the box, and at 7 minutes or so I will probably have to break this up. Maybe I'll do one more pack and then break it. So this is part 1. Chris Carter, which you'll probably know because of the title. Alright, let me do one more pack and then I'll cut it and do the last half. Todd Collins. Robert Brooks. Insert. Alright, well, see you on the next side.